Hello there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a video directly within PowerPoint. No extra third-party tools needed. PowerPoint actually has built-in recording features, and in this tutorial I will walk you through everything step by step. So first of all, you have to open your PowerPoint on your PC like this, as I just opened my PowerPoint. Now start by opening the PowerPoint presentation you want to turn into a video. So for example, let's click on this, then tap on to create. Let's just choose this one. Okay, this is nice. Then at the top menu you can see the option record. Tap onto it, and then okay, tap on show me. Okay, then just tap on next, just agree with them. Okay, now go to the top menu. Like here you can see two options from recording from the beginning and or from current slide. Okay, oh wait a second, shit. Okay, so go to recording. Now choose like how do you want to record, like from beginning or from current slide. So then click on from beginning to record your full presentation, and if you want it to current, then you can do it according to your needs. Actually it is. Then once the recording scenes opens, make sure your microphone and camera are correctly selected from the top toolbar here. Make sure they are correctly selected. Okay, you will also see tools like pens, highlighter, eraser. From here you can see this option: pens, highlighter, erasers, colors, if you wish to add something here. So as you can see, you can add this, and you can also erase them from here if you wish to easily. So as you can see this record option at the top left corner, then you have to tap on start recording. If you want to record it, click the record button to begin. Okay, so as you can see, it will start a 3-second countdown, and there you go, it has starting to record your presentation. So as you speak, PowerPoint will record your voice narration and your camera feed if that is available, I mean if enabled, and your slide transitions and animations like this. Let me show you. Like McDowell collapse the echo clips, then tap this one, then it will change into the next slide, and you can talk about that, like what he believe in this environmental protection, quality and accessibility, innovative design. So this is how you can just record your voice and create a presentation easily. Now if you want to pause the presentation like this, you can tap onto this option at the top left corner, and it will be start pausing. So you can resume or stop when you are done. Once finished, you can click exit to return to the presentation view. So you can click onto exit option, just tap on the stop, then tap onto the exit option. So let's exit. So once finished, click exit to return to the presentation view. As you see, you will now see recording icons on each slides you have recorded. Then you can see them. So now tap on the export to video, and you can, if you want, you can create a video from here if you wish to. Now tap on to save. Now let's check out the file. Okay, let's go to downloads, and maybe it is here. Let's check it out. Okay, there's some glitch, so let's move forward to the steps. Okay, now you can edit or clear recordings. You can clear recording on the current slides if you wish to. You can see this option. You can also screenshot if you want. You can also screen record if you want to. You can also add audios on my PC if you wish to. Okay, let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's make it smaller. Okay, so that's perfect. So this is how you can record, and that's it. And also you can record just audio, which is absolutely optional. Turn off your camera in the recording menu. go to your menu, then you can turn off your camera if available, and then you proceed to record your narration like this. Start. And as you can see, it started a 3-second countdown. Now voiceover according to your need, like why we developed the acoustics. We wanted to have a stylish and environment friendly mode of transportation. Now let's stop it, and that's it. Your transition is now ready. Now voiceover according to your need, like why we developed the acoustics. We wanted to have. So this is how you can also record only your voice. That's it. This is how you can record your audio or also without showing your face. And I have also shown the steps that how you can also record your face while recording. If you have recorded video with your slides, click on the slide and bubble and go to the video format tab. Okay, that's it. And if you want to edit your slides more, you can see all of these options. You can just play around with them. For example, this drawing one, you can drawing if you wish to add drawings to it, and that's it. This is how you can draw. I'm just playing around with it. So that's it. Now if you want to remove them, you can choose it and they will be removed. Super simple. So that is it. This is how you can use Microsoft PowerPoint and record video with it without any third party tools, and which is absolutely very easy. I showed you in easy steps. You can do it. And if you want to use any third party tools, you can just use like apps like OBS and then start recording them manually. But if you ask me, then I will tell you to go with the easy steps like recording from here. And that was it. Now save and upload your presentation to anywhere you want to, and that's it. So let me explain why you should use PowerPoint for video. You do not need for extra software, great for recorded lectures, online courses or business pitches, and looks professional and polished with animations and transitions. So that's how you make a video directly inside PowerPoint, and PowerPoint is a great tool to make presentation. Use it. This is really great. Now if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave your question or comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Goodbye.